component of acceleration apparatus, and as we know, if this is a link and it is rotating about a center, and if it is rotating about a center, and if a slider is incorporated in this, then the slider will translate through this length only, and the link is still rotating, then that slider will experience a Coriolis component of acceleration. And this experiment is all about finding out the Coriolis component of acceleration. In this experiment, we have a pump. The input to this pump is through this storage tank. This storage tank supplies the water to the pump through this inlet. This is the inlet to the pump, and then the inlet to the water through this inlet is pressurized up to a certain head, and this is the bypass valve. This water returns back to the storage tank, and further the left out water is then supplied to this flow meter. This is the flow meter. From this flow meter we can see at a given time what is the flow rate of the water at the inlet. We can control the flow rate of this water through this flow control valve, and from controlling the flow control valve, this water goes into this chamber. Inside this chamber, this is a inlet to the pipe, and the exit to the pipe is diagonally 180-degree opposite to each other. So as the water enters into this, the water now escapes through the outlet of these two dia pipes. This assembly of this pipe can be rotated through the help of a motor incorporated behind this. This is the motor. This is the motor that is fitted between these two bearings. This is allowed to rotate through a certain arc. This is the spring balance, and this is the load spring adjuster. So this is the arm length from the center of this motor to this. It is given to us, and the force we can balance, we can measure from this. So the applied torque at the outlet can be measured, and that will be compared to the inlet flow rate. So these two assembly of these pipes can be rotated by the motor behind this, and this will be its motion. Operated electronically. Initially switch on the mains, and again switch on the pump from here. Now the water is lifted up to a height. To control the flow through the water inlet, there is a flow control valve. We can either control the flow of water through this flow control valve and simultaneously